Hi, are you a general contractor, subcontractor, or architect? Are you wearing so many hats that you feel overwhelmed and behind on your work? Are you struggling to find talented individuals to help delegate tasks out to? If you want help, we have good news. A virtual construction assistant can help. Spend more time in areas of your company that will promote your firm's long-term growth and success. Are you stuck calling subcontractors for pricing or counting light fixtures for a bid? Are you worried about an open submittal, RFI, or an insurance certificate? All of these job roles can be delegated out to virtual construction assistants. Our qualified pool of engineers, architects, bookkeepers, and other construction professionals specialize in providing administrative support for the construction industry. Contact our talent management team today for a free, no-risk consultation to learn more about our services.